Review on the international standard. ISO 9001 is a quality management standard provide guidance and tools for companies and organizations who want to ensure that their products and services consistently meet customers' requirement, and the quality is consistently improved. The certification benefit of ISO 9001 will be include 1. Integrate high-grade quality management system into the operations of the organization. 2. Focus on the continuous improvement and increase the satisfaction of the customer. 3. Increase the productivity and operation efficiency of our organization. 4. Reduce unnecessary expenses. 5. Improve overall communication among the company and the morale and job satisfaction of employees. Single quote. ISO 14001 is an environmental management standard established by International Organization for Standardization for the requirement of international environmental protection and according to the need of international trade development. ISO 14001 focus on environmental system like the threat of important environment problem include destroy of ozonosphere, global warming, diminution of biodiversity etc. This standard require organization to make a true committee, couple with company structure, plans, procedures, responsibilities, training and culture at the same time. The certification benefit of ISO 14001 can be divided into internal and external aspects. For the aspect of internal benefit, means that the benefit to company, it included 1. Improve energy efficiency to reduce costs of operation. 2. Improve environmental performance. 3. Reduce insurance premiums. 4. Reduce the risk of causing responsibility. 5. Easier to acquire and maintain licenses. For the aspect of external benefit, means that the benefit to customers, it included 1. Achieve the commitment to environment to customers. 2. Maintain a good community and public relationship. 3. Meet the requirements of buyers and investors. 4. Improve company image and competitiveness. 5. Cultivate and share the environmental solutions. ISO 45001 is a health and safety related standard named Occupational Health and Safety Management, which is a new international standard launched in 2018. Occupational health and safety management is the foundation of an organization's risk management strategy. ISO 45001 helps to provide a health and safety workplace to workers and other stakeholders, prevent health damage, personal injury and death caused by working and continuously improve the health and safety performance. The certification benefit of ISO 45001 can be divided into internal and external aspects. For the aspect of internal benefit, included 1. Eliminate or reduce the health risk of employees caused by working. 2. Improve the occupational health and safety performance of a company. 3. Reduce medical claims and insurance costs. 4. Reduce downtime due to accidents and sick leave caused from injury employees. 5. Achieve comprehensive audit of ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. For the aspect of external benefit, it included 1. Eliminate or reduce the occupational health and safety risks associated with other related parties due to organizational activities. 2. Let interested parties ensure that the organizations can meet the occupational health and safety policy. 3. Increase the image of company and global competitiveness. 4. meet contractor, investor requirements and legal requirement. Single quote. Case study. The target company of study is Sun Fook Kong Group. Sun Fook Group can be divided into 5 companies: Sun Fook Kong Civil Limited, Sun Fook Kong Construction Limited, Sun Fook Kong Engineering Limited, Sun Fook Kong E&M Management Limited and Sun Fook Kong Housing Services Limited. Sun Fook Kong Group is a construction engineering company. Its business nature include building construction, civil engineering, maintenance, housing service and petroleum and natural gas extraction, real estate investment. Sun Fook Kong Construction Limited, San Fook Kong Civil Limited and Sun Fook Kong Housing Services Limited had owned ISO9001, 2015, ISO 14001 to 2014, OHSAS 18001 to 2007, ISO 50001 to 2011 respectively. ISO 14001, which Sun Fook Kong own, belongs to Environmental Management System, EMS. For the aspect of EMS Sun Fook Kong Committee to emphasize the environmental protection in construction project. They had achieved the Committee of Environmental Protection at the scope below. To carry out building activities to keep, restore and improve the facilities of buildings and surroundings. To carry out the construction of buildings works and to provision of cleaning and pest control services. And for the aspect of quality management, Sun Fook Kong has achieved the Committee of Quality Management at the scope below. Construction of civil engineering works, site formation, waterworks, portworks, roads and drainage. Design of civil engineering works, drainage. Design and construction of large diameter board pile, mini-pile, steel H-pile, rock-socketed steel H-pile in pre-board hole and pile cap. Construction of landslip preventive and remedial works to slopes and retaining walls. Maintenance of civil engineering works, etc. Single quote. Suggestion. To feed back to the commitment on the scope of quality management system, ISO 9001, on construction project of Sun Fook Kong, it is suggested that to enhance the operation efficiency and productivity of construction site through mechanized building method. The mechanized building method utilizes advanced construction machinery and prefabricated component technology to enhance productivity. It is suggested that to utilize lead innovation technology into construction site. For example, precast concrete technology. Precast concrete technology is suitable to utilize in the public housing estate construction project, because the scale of public housing estate development project is large, and the construction works is repeated, so it is especially suitable to highly utilize mechanized construction method. To feed back to the commitment on the scope of environmental protection, ISO 14001, on construction project of Sun Fook Kong, it is suggested that to add more green and environmental protection elements on the construction projects to feed back to the scope, to carry out building activities to keep, restore and improve the facilities of buildings and surroundings. The detail of this suggestion will be the design of the building should be trend to the direction of nature, to utilize nature resource on the building design and building service facilities like wind power in ventilation, sunlight in lighting to replace the equipment that need electricity. On the other hand, building design will also suggest to adopt urban microclimate design to improve the surrounding environment of construction project. The important elements around to urban microclimate design are greening, roof greening and wall greening, and city ventilation, seating design of building. To achieve the Committee on IMS, different stakeholder in the construction project should achieve all the process in the project according to the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. Plan, Do, Check cycle should apply on both Quality Management Standard, ISO9001, Environment Management Standard, ISO14001, and Health and Safety Management System, ISO 45001. Is an iterative process used by organizations to achieve continual improvement. The detail of Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle are as follow. For the aspect of plan, the organizations or companies should plan the process of the project, the resources which are necessary in the project and the risks which will have opportunities to appear in the project, etc. For the aspect of do, it should be to implement the planning in the stage plan. For the aspect of check, it should be review the finished product which is implement from stage D, is meet with the intended outcome conduct in stage plan, or not. For the aspect of act, it is the final stage in Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. At this stage, a continually improvement should be conduct to correct the outcome to 100% match with the intended outcome if the final outcome is not match with the intended outcome.